Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken broth pho. First, char one large onion and a 3-inch piece of ginger directly over a flame or under a broiler until fragrant and slightly softened. Next, parboil about 3 pounds of chicken bones or a whole chicken in a large pot of water for 10 minutes. This crucial step removes impurities, ensuring a clear and clean broth. After parboiling, rinse the chicken thoroughly under cold running water. Now, let's simmer our flavorful broth. Place the rinsed chicken and charred aromatics into a clean, large stock pot. Add a spice bag containing 1 cinnamon stick, 3-star anise, 5 cloves, and 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds. Pour in about 12 cups of fresh water, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and 1 tablespoon of rock sugar. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then cover and cook for at least 2 to 3 hours, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. After simmering, carefully remove the chicken from the pot. Strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve into a clean pot, discarding the solids and spices. This step ensures a perfectly clear broth. Taste the broth and adjust the seasoning as needed, adding more fish sauce, sugar, or a pinch of salt until it reaches your desired flavor profile. Shred the cooked chicken meat from the bones, setting it aside for later. Finally, it's time to assemble your delicious pho. Cook your desired amount of rice noodles according to the package instructions, then drain them well. Arrange the cooked noodles in a large bowl, topping them with the shredded chicken, thinly sliced onions, and fresh herbs like cilantro and green onions. Ladle the piping hot, aromatic broth over all the ingredients. Serve immediately with lime wedges, bean sprouts, and chili sauce on the side. Enjoy your homemade pho.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.